We want to welcome you to the Genesis Legal AI tutorial on how to use our product's various features. First, press the Sign Up button on the home page and follow the prompts to create a username and password. Once you have created a username and password, go ahead and sign in. Once you have signed in, create a tort. This tort can be either a single case or a category of many cases that you want to analyze. Give your tort a name. For purposes of our tutorial, we will call our tort test. First, add funds to your account, which is shown here as step number 3. This assumes you are not one of the firms that we have agreed to bill on a monthly basis. Next, make sure your client records are in zip format. Then, either drag and drop them or click on the rectangular space indicated to select them. Once the client records you want analyzed are loaded, select the Analyze Client Records button. When the overall progress bar shows 100%, you will be presented with a Create Questionnaire prompt. Select this prompt. Read the instructions for how to ask effective questions carefully. Then type in as many questions as you like using the Add Question prompt. When you have finished your questions, hit the Save Questionnaire prompt, give your questionnaire a name, and then hit the Save prompt. Next, hit the Start Analyzing Records prompt. Check your files and questions to make sure you have what you want. Then hit the Analyze prompt followed by the Confirm and Run Analysis prompt. When the report summary shows all files as completed and there is a green check to the left of each file, your answers are ready. Click on the individual file to obtain your answers. Each answer will contain a link to a PDF document verifying the accuracy of your answers. If, instead of creating a customized questionnaire, you wish to create a timeline or summary of the records, click Create Timelines and follow the prompts. We charge no setup fees, no annual or monthly fees, and lower per report charges than all of our competition. For large firms, we offer enterprise plans featuring dedicated support, custom integrations, and enhanced features. Finally, unlike publicly available AI programs, we are HIPAA compliant.